Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl T. I'm back, and we do have Alipearl hair, y'all. And today, I'm just gonna show you guys how to look like you just came out of salon, how to look like you got your hair done, you know, professionally. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do a quick unboxing, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the overall view of this unit, and I do have the 13x4 body wave lace frontal wig. She is 26 inches and she is 180% in density. So this is the overall view of the hair. It does come with 3 combs, well, overall construction. It does come with 3 combs in total, a pair of drawstrings, and the lace on this unit is transparent. So this is the frontal portion of the unit. I have not altered it in any type of way, but today I am going to go in and bleach the knots, tint the lace, and then I'm just going to extend the hairline back just a little bit. Just to, you know, just give me a little bit of edge. So this is how it's looking, and I did not want to wash it. I didn't want to do anything to it because it was looking too popping. Those body waves were coming for my life. So obviously this is the next day, and my knots are over bleached. I left the bleach a little bit on too long, so my roots look a little bit orange, which they are. And I tinted the lace, and I ran out of the dye I normally use, so it's a little yellow, but we gonna fix it, okay? So this is the hair once it's been washed and conditioned, and of course you see the body waves in the unit have, you know, completely come out. But of course that's what it's gonna do when you wash it, sis. You can put them back in if you like, but we're not doing that today. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten out the roots just a little bit, but first I sprayed my heat protectant spray. Now we're just gonna use our Andy hot comb. I use this on the setting of 20. I'm doing this trick of, you know, lifting the lace off my scalp because, sis, the steam or the heat from it be burning my scalp. So I like to get to the roots while the lace is not, you know, secured to my head. It makes it easier, and I'm able to get every strand and lay it nice and neat. I did use bedhead to the wax stick. So now I'm just going to go ahead and create some jagged edges to make my lace look a little bit more natural. Like I said, my lace is a little bit yellow, but I am going to fix it enough to the point that it won't look that bad. So okay, so once the lace is fully off, I'm just gonna dab a little bit of more foundation onto the lace portion. Any foundation I get onto the hair, I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and just remove it off. So that's what I love about virgin hair, like sis, it's just easy to work with. Next, I'm going in with my Got2b glue spray, and we're just going to spray it on my hairline. I am going out and about today, and you know what? I cannot have my wig out here slipping in these streets. It's summertime. It's hot, okay? When I say it's hot here, it's hot. It's almost 90 to 100 degrees every day, and it's annoying. But I always double, triple, mega triple, y'all get what I'm saying? I always double up layers when I know I'm going out and about heat, because like, sis, this is not waterproof, so you start sweating, your wig will start slipping. But I'm pulling it as tight as I can to the sides and adding more heat. My dryer is always on a cool heating setting because I don't want to turn white ashy. So I'm just gonna go on and secure it down. I'm gonna tie it as tight as I can because like I said, we ain't trying to lose this lace out in these streets today. No, okay? So I'm just gonna tie it as tight and add some more heat. After that, I took it off and I'm just going to add baby hairs today. Like I said, I wanted security, full security. I know baby hairs will not have my lace going nowhere. I don't care what nobody says, sweat or not. My lace will sit still because the baby hairs adds as more security. And look at this lace, y'all. When I pull them baby hairs out, this lace looks freaking melted, okay? When I say melted, melted. Now, I did tell you guys I did extend the hairline by plucking it back just a little bit, but I'm gonna take some shears and cut at an angle. I'm gonna go ahead and start swooping it, and I'm just gonna use my got2b glue spray for this portion. Normally I would use foam wrap lotion, but in the heat, the foam wrap would just lift up my lace. So I'm just gonna use strictly got2b glue hairspray, just spraying it on the edge brush they gave me, and we're just gonna, you know, get it done. And I do leave the clips unslowed. I mean, like, it's not fast forwarded because I want you to see that, you know, these baby hairs be getting on my nerves sometimes, y'all. They do. Alright guys, so off camera I did add my silk scarf on again and add more heat, and there she lays. Okay, she's freaking laid to the gods. Later I do change my part to a side part because I wasn't really feeling the middle part today. I wanted to be a little extra cute today, and if you guys see my wig just going all crazy in the back, I never secure the back, so of course if somebody can come from me, they just could come from the back of my lace because it's never laid down. But I'm just going in with my iron curling iron, and we're just going to add some curls to this unit. And you know, that's what we're doing. Y'all know the trick to keep your curls in all day without them holding. I added got2b glue freeze spray, and then I put the heat protectant on top so it won't get too hard. But let me tell you guys, this method will have your curls and your hair all day. Like, I was literally out in that sun and my curls stayed nice and, you know, just wrapped and framed to my face. So I love this curling iron. I don't care what nobody say, y'all. But anyway, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick overview of this unit, my view. Y'all, I gotta stop. But anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a view of what I think, and I honestly love this hair, y'all. I love the length. I love everything about this hair. I love how versatile this unit is. As you guys can see, when I put it on the beginning, it was body waves, and now I just, you know, added my own curls to this unit. Like I said, I was running errands that day. I did, you know, film this video, and my curls lasted the entire time, even in the extreme heat. While I was washing and conditioning hair, I had minimum shedding in the tub. I was expecting a lot of shedding. I don't know why I just do that, but I was shocked. I had a few strands here and there throughout the whole washing process. I did use Aussie shampoo and conditioner. That's the only thing I ever use on my real hair and on this unit. But y'all, this is some bomb.com hair. Like I said, I feel like this is an easy summer unit if you guys still want inches, and not too long. It's not too hot either, but if you want inches. And y'all, look at this right here. This is what I'm talking about. That's scalp vibe. Nobody was coming for me in the streets that day. I don't care. They couldn't, because even if the wind started blowing, they seen a little cute part. They was like, dang, that's her real hair. Yes, It was Rum Hair. But anyway, this is the overall view of the unit. I got mad compliments on this unit. Okay, y'all was out here fooling people. Like, because people really, when you really take the time to tint and bleach your lace, y'all, I'm telling you, even not even tinted, putting the foundation on too, because I get comments regardless. But y'all, this wig was just one people were coming from. Like, look at this. I'm just loving it. Did I put layers in it? I don't even think I put layers in it. It was still just laying like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. All information will be listed in the description section below. And until next time, you're good. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.